welcome to this channel. I hope you are so ready to learn about signing the books of the New Testament. If you have not seen or watched the books of the Old Testament, then I will put a link up here so that you can watch the books of the Old Testament too. New Testament, New Testament, New Testament, or New Testament, New Testament. Matthew, Matthew, Matthew. M. handshake. Matthew. Mark, Mark. M. handshake. Mark, Mark. Luke, Luke. L. handshake. Luke. John, John, John. Acts, 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 Acts. We use a handshake. Acts. Romans. Romans has two signs, R on the forehead, then on the nose. Romans, Romans. The second sign is R, making a cross on the forehead. Romans, Romans. Corinthians, Corinthians, Corinthians. Galatians, G handshakes, Galatians, Galatians. Ephesians, Philippians, Colossians, Thessalonians, Timothy, Titus, and Philemon have no signs, so we are supposed to fingerspell each and every one of them. Hebrews, 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 Hebrews. James, James has no sign, so we have to fingerspell. James. Peter, Peter has two signs. The first one is rock, rock, and the second one is Peter, Peter. So the first sign is, and the second one is John. We had already given a sign for John, but we can repeat it, right? John, John, J, John. Jude, Jude has no sign, so we fingerspell it. Jude. revelation, revelation. Add hand shape on the forehead, revelation. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, leave a comment and subscribe to this channel for more educational and entertaining videos, and I will really appreciate. See you in my next video. Bye.